Hello guys, welcome again Learn Basics. This is Vishwa. So in today's video we are going to see that how we can change the display language of Google Chrome. Okay, so if you have the same question, stay watching this video. So let's start video and let's see that how we can change the Google Chrome display language. So for that you need to go to top of left hand side, top of the page. As you can see, the three dot is given there. Click on that. A small drop down will appear to you. Okay, in this drop down you will get multiple options. So you need to go to setting. Click on setting. As you can see, the setting is there. This option. Click on that. So this page will open. Okay, over here you need to go down. Okay, just drop down your page and you'll get an option advanced. Click on that. Again use drop down of this page and you will get option languages. As you can see, it is here now. Click on that and you will get multiple option to change this language. Okay, so today we will see that how we can change English to Hindi and Hindi to English. Okay, but if you want any other language, so you can change according to your choice. There are a lot of languages are available then in which you can open the Google Chrome. For example, Tamil, and add language here. As you can see that African, Albanian. Okay, there are so many languages, means according to your choice. Even Chinese is there. Okay, a lot of option, so you can choose according to your choice. Simply select this and add this, that language will be added here. Okay, so today we will see that how we can change English to Hindi and Hindi to English. So as you can see that current language is English. This language is used to display the Google Chrome is written here. I'm just going to highlight this one, as you can see. Okay, so how we can change Hindi? Simply click this three dot. As you can see, just near the Hindi, where the Hindi is written, just there is a three dot given. Okay, click on that. You will get many option. So we will choose the first option. As you can see, it is written here, display Google Chrome in this language. Simply click on that and click this button, relaunch. So when you will click relaunch, it will again open Google Chrome and everything will be there in Hindi because we have selected the Hindi language.